need a scanner or DocuSign if you have an iPhone. Let's do this!
Hold down your Notes app and scan document right there. You can easily scan any document you want. It will be saved under your Notes app and you can hit the three dots on top and you can share with anybody you want. Next, open your camera and take a picture of the document you want signature on. Hit edit on top and hit the pencil, and here you will tap on the plus sign. Here you can add your signature and you can place it anywhere you want in the corner. It's nice and simple. If you need to add a text like date, you can also do that as well. This is a very cool trick. Share with your friends and family and follow for more.
Guys, this is how to automatically remove the background from your photos. Open photo room and then click the camera and take a picture of the item you want to sell or just remove the background from. It scans it, takes the background off. You can go ahead and mess around with the background, change the color however you like, or add some fun little texture to it. I just ended up editing mine like this. Then I went ahead and posted it on my Depop. I really need to do this to all my other photos. This is a game changer.
I mean, really what I think we should just do is every mom that sees this video, just comment mom. Follow her, follow me. Find some more mom friends in the comments.
The lighting makes everything look so much more professional. The microphone makes everything sound way better, and I found so many ways to use this. I can film on the go with a grip, or set it down on the table with the tripod. This is my favorite part. You can film vertically and horizontally, so no matter what you shoot, it just works. Okay, honestly, filming with my phone has never been this easy. I hope you guys check it out. It is a must.
Okay, you guys, let's get this transition right. Leg goes like this. Boom, just like that, you guys. Let me show you how to hold your phone during this. It will change the game for you. So take your phone between your pinky and pointer and these on the back, and you press record with your thumb. You guys, it's so sturdy. You can turn your phone up and down and everywhere. I almost dropped it. But you go here, rotate your phone to the beat. A lot of people are like boom, boom, doo, like over. So over, over, and then over your head. Once you get to the top of your head, you guys, you stop recording. And then you change your look, right? And then you take your phone just like this. I hold it normal after. Press record and come down here. You can either like go fast, slow, or whatever. But that's how you do it. It's so simple. It's so simple. You guys can do it if you hold your phone like this. It will change the game.
Tricks to wake up happier every single day. Right when you wake up, drink a glass of water on an empty stomach.
I can do you one better. I have two simple solutions for how to wake up happier. First, change that morning glass of water with an evening glass of water. Drink a full glass of water right before you go to bed. I mean like guzzle a glass of water right before bed. Over the next week or two, your body will learn this new ritual and retain the water throughout the night so you don't wake up with dry mouth and dehydration. But the second and most important thing, when you drink that evening glass of water, take about 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is the mineral responsible for over 3,000 enzymes in your body. It's responsible for cellular redox, or how effectively the mitochondria in your cells can process energy. If you add a couple magnesium pills and a full glass of water before bed, you'll start waking up feeling incredible. If you do this, you will notice a massive difference to your sleep quality in less than a week. Follow for more.
Tried the Tik Tok Kraft mac and cheese hack, and it was fire. Pour 2 boxes of pasta, add 1 cup milk, 3 cups water, 1/2 TSP salt and pepper, 2 TBSP butter, cheese powder, 1 cup shredded cheddar. Bring to a boil and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring throughout, and you're done.
This is a life hack that I'm going to share with you that works awesome for me. It's even good for dresses too. So just grab a hanger, any hanger, doesn't even matter. I just find that I have a couple of these inside my closet and a lot of times nothing stays on them with my dresses or my tank tops. So I just do that and then I grab one of the strings and I wrap it around. Same on this side. Wrap it around. And it's totally secure and it will not fall off. Look at that.
Right guys, we're putting chocolate into ice cube trays. All different colours, all different flavours. Then get a bottle and then make an hole in the middle of that little cake, eh? Oh, we're chocolifying it up, guys. And then stick our little chocolate, the ones you made around there. It's like a well. And then, oh, the ice cream of Haagen-Dazs is in the well. And get chocolate on top, guys. Not enough sugar yet. Come on. Smooth it off. We're going again. Fill it up with more chocolate and let it splooge. How are you gonna even eat this? It's more chocolate, guys, just in case there's not enough chocolate. And raspberries. And then cut it. It's gonna be mookie, innit? It is mookie. That's really a one-person cake. It's too mookie, innit? And by one-person cake, I mean it's a my-person cake. Get off.
More Uncle hacks here. This one's a good one to save all you guys some time. Home. Save you some time so you can go out and start chopping the woods. Go start chopping the woods.
So you're talking to a new guy and he asks you, so what is it that you look for in a guy? Like, what kind of qualities do you like in a man? Let me tell you why you should never answer that question up front. First of all, the only reason a guy is going to ask you that question is so that he can find the fastest way to get you hooked. Because if he knows what you want, he's just going to be that person. Even if that's not an accurate reflection of who he really is, he's going to put up that front because he knows that's what you want. So rather than give him a literal cheat sheet on how to manipulate you, I'm going to tell you how you're going to answer that question. You're going to tell him, how about you show me who you are, and then I'll let you know if you're the kind of guy I'm looking for. That way, he'll take you seriously because he knows you're not easily manipulated, and you're going to save yourself a lot of time because you're going to know within a few weeks whether or not that man passes your vibe check. Stay woke.
Tell me how.
I got just 5 minutes.
Did you?
Yes.
Did you know that?
No. Is this a cap? Or am I gonna have to get slapped? What do you guys think of these salt and pepper shakers? I got them at the Hoover Dam. Let's see if this actually works. Let's flip that upside down and go around. Oh my gosh. It's time to get slapped.
Here's something I wish I knew before I was in my 30s. How to make these look brand new. Okay, here we go. Put them in the oven. And push self-clean. Moment of truth. What? It worked! Honey, it worked! I didn't ruin the baking sheets!
This is one of my favorite hacks. Pull out a couple of the garbage bags from the inside of the roll and put the roll on a paper towel holder, and then you can store it under your sink. So much easier to pull them off, and it keeps it so organized.
You want my number, had to hit him with the fantasizing, got him fiending for this. Thick thighs, got him busting out the jeans. Yeah, real dope vibe, turn these niggas into fiends. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so a few people left comments like this under my post, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I got from 7,000 to 10,000 followers in like 2 weeks. So watch this video until the end because there are a few things that I'm going to say that you may know already, but you may not know the last thing, so watch until the end. So the first thing is that 7-second or less algorithm trend. It really works. Choose a popular sound, put some words on the screen, and it really helps if there's a command or a request on the screen, like if you see this comment, if you see this follow me, because believe it or not, people do really want to support, so include that in your text. And then number 2 is going live as much as possible. If you're doing something interesting, if you got an interesting vibe, if you have interesting conversation, go live because that really can help you grow your following. And then third is to use this sound. Click on the sound and go on each person's post who's using the sound, interact, follow, and that should also help your following. Good luck.